Hi everyone, I received a lot of questions about my video with the plane flying behind the sun. I noticed that the additional explanation was necessary to clarify this issue. First of all, watching the video we clearly see that the plane is moving behind the sun, leaving a trail of smoke. Now some of you said that it may be an optical illusion. Well, in this case, there is no optical illusion because if you look closely, the smoke left by the plane is clearly moving and it is moving behind the sun. Some of you claimed that the plane and the smoke trail are in front of the sun, but we can't see it because the sunlight is too strong. In this case, I present to you another video. I recorded this during the solar eclipse. Here a plane flew in front of the sun and left a trail of smoke. It is crystal clear that the plane and the trail of smoke are in front of the sun. In this case, the plane or the trail of smoke did not disappear. For sure not because of the supposed very strong sunshine or sunlight. I use solar filter and Nikon P1000 for my videos. The question you all asked was, how is this possible plane behind the sun? The answer is something is wrong with the theory you have been taught all your life. Now it is time to face the reality. The sun is not 93 million miles or 149 million kilometers away from Earth as claimed. The sun is a local source of energy and it is way too smaller than you were taught. Sun moves from east to west, whether we accept it or not. This is the reality. In this clip from another video, while I was recording, a plane flew below the left side in front of the sun. In the zoom mode, it can be seen that the plane was very close to the sun. I could go on providing other proofs such as in these videos where you can see that the planes are flying in front of the sun, leaving a trail of smoke which is clearly visible, and while in front of the sun it doesn't disappear. So the assumption that if something passes in front of the sun cannot be seen, or it looks like it is behind it because of the strong light of the sun, is absolutely not true. In this video, we can see that the size of the sun is quite moderate and it is moving slowly towards the west. So here we are dealing with a local sun and not a giant fireball somewhere 93 million miles away, lost in the space as it is pretended by some. Seeing an airplane behind the sun or in front or close to, or as in the video that follows where you can see the clouds behind and in front of the sun, or rather to say the sun within the clouds, should not surprise us anymore because one thing is clear. We have not been told the truth about the sun, moon, earth, stars, and space in general. With the time passing, many of us have had the opportunity to access advanced technological tools which are helpful in providing more accurate and real information about the sun, moon, earth, stars, and space. So enjoy watching further this video and check my YouTube channel for more. If you like to be updated with my future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.